Welcome! In front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Wear OS application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, scroll all the way down to the list of applications. Now find the Wear OS on this list and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once you enable both things, you can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it. And in the Bluetooth settings, you should see the list called My Devices. And on this list, you should see the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications are enabled. If this option is enabled, you can close the settings and open the Wear OS application on your iPhone. In the app, you should see the device page for your TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra. On this page, you can scroll down and tap on notifications. And here, basically, you can enable and disable the notifications for the apps, specific apps on your iPhone. And if you don't see the application on this list, it will appear after you get the notifications from it. Basically, the list will update once you get the notifications from the applications. And as you can see, we can enable and disable the apps. Once you're done customizing this list, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message or the notification on our phone, on our iPhone. And if we open or rather wake up the screen on our watch and open the notification menu, you will see it right here in the notifications. You can tap on it to view it. You can clear it by swiping left on it, I believe. Yes, and you can clear them all there should be button clear all, but it's not here for some reason, but basically you can clear them. Oh, because these are system notifications, so you can't really clear them. Anyway, that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.